loaf. It smells so good. This is getting messy. I've never done this recipe before, but I have hope. So my cranberries are all in, and now I'm going to put it in the baking sheet, which I lined with parchment paper, and I sprayed it with coconut oil as well. It looks so beautiful, and now it has to go in the oven at 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes. Meanwhile, I like to keep the kitchen clean, so I'm going to wipe the counters down. And this is the aftermath. Not too bad. Okay, so I just took it out and I'm gonna let it cool down. This is what it looks like. I want it to be a little brown on top, and it's optional to add the glaze on top, which I think I might skip it, but it's looking good. I'm gonna let it cool down and then take it out. Can't wait to try this. And this is the end result. Good morning, you guys. I just want to say, first of all, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Stephanie, and if you're new here, I make lifestyle videos, and I live in California with my sweet husband. And I just wanted to say welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So I just need to finish getting ready. I'm going to be running some errands. I'm thinking about going to Home Goods and seeing all of their cute home decor items that they have out right now. They have all of the cute Christmas decor out right now, so I want to go look at that. I already put on this very warm fuzzy sweater, and it is pretty cold. I just want to put on a tiny bit of makeup. I recently bought this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, so I thought I would open it with you guys. I got for myself the color medium brown. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on my life and things that I've been up to. I want to start decorating for Christmas pretty soon. My goal was to start November 1st originally, but life has been just so busy, guys. For my impression of this is that it glides on very smoothly. I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in so long. I've just been doing them myself at home. I feel like you don't need to go every single time. You can kind of just pluck the areas that grow, obviously, and then try to keep the shape. Now I'm gonna go with my Kosas Brow Gel, and I love this because it has minimal ingredients, it doesn't flake, and it has like a medium hold, not too strong. Yeah, it just works for like an everyday product. Another thing that I would love to do during this time of the year is one day get the chance to see a Nutcracker show. Like, it just sounds so pretty. But yeah, that would be a wonderful activity to do during this time of the year. Honestly, this is like my quick go makeup. Nothing on the skin, just a little bit more on the brows, eyes, and then chapstick. And I'm wearing my Madewell earrings. Oh yeah, and then I'm wearing my wedding band, Target sweater, and then just some casual black jeans with my boots today. Let's get going, guys. Let's get this day started. I saw a lot of cute stuff, but I didn't see the things that I came in looking for. I was looking mainly for this really cute candle that has like trees inside of it. It's kind of gone viral, so maybe they sold out pretty quickly. And I was looking for like the Anthropologie dupe drinking glasses, and I didn't see those either, so it was a little bit sad. But I did see some really cute coffee mugs, and I already own the plates, so getting the mugs as a pair was really nice. So yeah, I think I'm gonna head back home now, but we'll see. Hi guys, I am here to get some coffee. I just went to Barnes & Noble's, as you guys saw, and I thought we would pick up a little cup of coffee now. So yeah, after Home Goods, I went to Barnes & Noble's and I looked around, and they had some really good stuff, really cute Christmas books, but I couldn't decide which one to get. We'll see which book I read. I really want to get into like a seasonal book. But yeah, let's go get a cup of coffee now. Can't wait to try a holiday drink. Alright guys, I got my drink. Here it is. I got something different. It's an iced coffee with cold foam on top. It's one of their holiday cold foams, the praline. And then I asked them to put little sprinkles as well, but I haven't tried it, so let's see. It's pretty good. I like it. And I'm gonna go home now, so let's go. Hi friends, I am back home now. As you can see, I had to change into another sweatshirt that was a little bit more light because I was getting a little hot. And then I got this iced coffee from Starbucks. I've been drinking it. It's good. It is something like a treat. I wouldn't get this drink all the time personally. So I wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys. I got a new cardigan from Target and I'm so excited to see how it looks in person. I got this because I really wanted to have something festive for the holidays coming around. And I mean, you can wear this any time of the year, but I really wanted to have something in this particular color. And this is what it looks like. I cannot wait to wear this with like a pair of light jeans and a white shirt underneath for the holidays. This feels so soft and cozy. Like you probably don't want to take this off once you put this on. I'm so happy about it though. And then I have one more thing. This brand reached out to me and they wanted me to try this product and do an honest review of the product, which I haven't tried, but I just wanted to show you guys. And it is by the brand California Naturals. I went ahead and got the coconut one because I really like the smell of coconut and how fresh it is in general. So I'm very excited to try this. I also was gifted their hair mask, which is on its way. We'll see how they are. And that is all I got. I think I need to relax for a little bit and then I'm going to be going to the gym. So I'm very excited. I need to decompress and do some cardio, some stretching. So I'm gonna relax now and I'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I am getting ready right now. I just put on this long sleeve shirt from Target. I'm going to be filming a gift guide as well, and I'm so excited to have that come out, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I'm just putting on a little bit of makeup. I'm starting out with Bare Minerals. I love this product. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I've put on a little bit of lipstick. This is by the brand Clinique and it is in the color Raspberry Glaze. Hi friends, it's been a few hours since I last vlogged. I am sitting on my desk right now. I'm thinking of doing like a Christmas background for my laptop. I wanted to go on Pinterest and create like a mood board type of thing first. I thought I would bring you guys along with me. I've got some tea with me. Let's get started with that. I'm finding so many cute photos on Pinterest that are truly inspiring me to start decorating, and I can't wait to start. I think this is going to be that first step to really getting me into the spirits. I want to first get all of the photos that I like in one folder and then create a background on Canva.